guys. Yeah, I am thinking of going out this time. It's already almost 6:35. We're going to see the sunrise. I don't know if it is cold outside, but it looks like. Yo, and we are now here. Yeah, the birds are flying around, enjoying. Nice. Yeah, the sun already shows up on there. And we are now here in the Albura Marina. Yeah, I don't see people here. There's a group of people there. Yeah, but still very quiet. It is already 6:58. It's still early, but so bright. Yeah, the sun is there. Last night I was very tempted to go out here because I'd never really experienced to be out here. I mean, I never experienced to sit in the bench somewhere around here in the night. I remember that when I was in the city, particularly when I was in Sydney, in the night I stay somewhere around. I just sit in the bench. Yeah, just to be out in the, not in the house. Oh, there is already one guy swimming. Actually, two of them, they are swimming. I think that is kind of their daily routine, workout, exercise. You know this earphone? I prepared the sound of my music sunglass. Yeah, this earphone, this Jabra, it sounds more of a snare. You know, the clink, 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 clink. And my music sunglass, it's like a more balance. Actually, I'm going to use the sunglass instead. Already there is the sun. Yeah, I prepared the sound of this. This one is really good. And when I met you, there was peace unknown. I set up you with a better pine tooth comb. I was soft inside. You take every move you make, every step you take, every step you take. I've been watching you every single day, everyone you say. Oh, there is actually one guy fishing. Yeah, I didn't know, I didn't see him. You belong to me. Oh, there is now a new couple just arrived. They are having their breakfast, a cup of coffee. And there is a new boat that is coming. I think that is a fishing boat. Yeah. And that's the second one. The first one already there. There are some independent seafood market. You remember those seafood restaurant on that far side? Yeah, I think that's for them. Yeah, it's a fishing boat. As you notice, there is also the crane on top of it. Yeah, it is now exactly 8 o'clock, and yeah, the heat of the sun is still feeling good. Yeah, the people has arrived. There is now a car, and one kid is going to fish. So we go now somewhere. Look at that, the water is very calm. When it is calm, you see the deep down the water. There is people fishing there. Some people in the GT area. Yeah, and the family in here. Oh, let me show you this. Because yesterday I saw a post on Facebook. Basically something like this. Yeah, as you can see in here. Yeah. Water access wheelchair is available from the accessible amenities. Not just for the fishermen, but also for the people who are in wheelchair. Yeah, the post on Facebook, the guy is not don't believe that there should be something like that because it's dangerous. Yeah, somehow it's right, but there is a reasonable reason. Yeah, I don't want to go home yet, but I'm hungry now. That guy is a photographer. He has so many cameras on him. Yeah, push. He has 2 bags. For sure, 2 of those bags full of camera gears. That's it. We are going home now. Yo, we are now here, and let me show you the water. It's just there and it's very clear. Yeah, that clear it is. Really good. And still there are some people that are swimming. And this morning we stayed there for over an hour, just standing, having a coffee, singing along with the music. Okay, we are home. It's already 9:25. I am hungry, and what we are going to eat today is the noodle. Yeah, this one that I cooked yesterday because of the pork. Yo, looks like it is going to rain, but it is actually hot this time. Already for 16. I'm going to cook the chicken. I have this garlic. Yeah, this one, the ready one. I thought I have a chicken curry mix. I don't have, so I'm going to use this shrimp paste. Yeah, it's become very windy outside. And yeah, this is how it is now. Yeah, it's okay. It's approved to my taste. But I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I don't know what is this, but yeah, the taste is alright.
6 hours to go and freedom. But last night at Manly, they were around the block, so hopefully long blue line anywhere in Sydney. Get a haircut, go to a cafe, have 10 people over to your house. This will be a moment to cherish for people right across the
Take me to the sky. It's like being lost in heaven. When I'm lost in your eyes, I get weak in your eyes. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 20 minutes to 8 o'clock, and I am preparing my breakfast. It's going to be this banana bread that I made a few days ago. I keep in the freezer, and yeah, when I am going to eat, I just defrost and toss it like this way. It is raining today. As you can see, that has started last night. But I'm headed home. You can take me to the sky. And you know, today is the first day of the opening of New South Wales. I mean, for the fully vaccinated people, they can now go and eat in the restaurant, have party, gatherings, etc. But still, the people around Sydney and the Greater Sydney, they are not allowed to go out of the Greater Sydney. So it means that they can't come here in Port Stephen. Yeah, only the maximum place that they can go is to the Central Coast and the Wollongong area. But for the people who are living in regional area like here, we can go to Byron Bay, any other regional area of New South Wales. If you are fully vaccinated. This is the one that I cooked yesterday. Yeah, I'll just reheat it in microwave. And I actually have this Ziploc, because I'm going to put it in the freezer. Yeah, almost 5:30. I didn't do anything. I actually sleep. Yeah, I sleep for about 2 hours.
haircuts to retail therapy, long-suffering businesses welcome back customers.
Also tonight, Tamworth records more COVID cases than Newcastle.
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is still rainy today. Yeah, 8:45. And I'm preparing my breakfast. And yeah, I'll be frying this eggplant and egg. I have one favorite eggplant meal in the Philippines. We called it tinolang, no, tortang talong. So basically it's a grilled eggplant and then fried it with egg. Yeah, I can't do that here because it is going to be smoky. When I was in Dubai, I tried to grill eggplant in here and it works. But I can't do that here. I don't like it. I will just fry this one as it is. I made it. It is now almost 2 o'clock. We are going out, even if looks like it is going to rain. According to the forecast, there is a 15% chance of rain.